Hey there, this is the Market Dog Queen, and this morning I'd like to talk to you about my pre-market scanning and how I go about finding a trade alert, scalp alert, day trade, if you will, a few hours before market opens. So I'm in my Thinkorswim platform and I'm in my scanner, and right here I'll open up my scanner settings. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. Let's go right down there. As you can see, I start with 10 cents to whatever. Let me move this over. There we go. So here we're opened up, and this is my settings. This is how I scan during the morning. When I alert for a day trade or a scalp, more often than not, it is $10 or less. Those are lots of fun. I look for a minimum volume of 10,000. I'd like to start seeing it move. Okay, down here in the 10,000s, I like to see the tickers moving up quickly. But I usually don't alert it for a day trade or scalp until it hits about the 50,000 volume range. I like to see at least 50,000 in volume, heading into 100,000 in volume. So as you can see here, let me get this back set up. I want this back. There we go. All right, so here I am. My first day trade scalp alert of the morning was MGen. And we can look at it right here. Where is it? I don't even see it. Oh, my volume got screwed up. Here we go. So there's MGen. And as you can see, Thinkorswim gives you all these little icons right here. If you if you click on them, they tell you either basic information or the blues are earnings coming up. You'll also have other special things like this is a conference call. There will be a conference call after earnings. Right here, this little green dollar sign means there will be dividends paid out. So like I said, Thinkorswim, it gives you all these special little icons. I like to look for these yellow ones. They always say they're telling you these are moving in pre-market. So like I said, I like to look for at least 50,000 in volume, up to 100,000, and that's when I start alerting for day trades. I will tell you over here, let me get this. If I go to charts, and let's go ahead and look at MGen. We are here. Time and sales is crucial. I'm telling you guys, you need to see this in order to know how much of a demand there is. If there's a demand, that means there's going to be a push. As you can see, MGen has been doing nothing for days. I like to use the 5-day, 5-minute chart right here. And like I said, all these people holding right here, they're flat. They're in the $1.70 range. This sucker hit this morning, and it hit because it's a healthcare stock, and it's moving in pre-market because of the coronavirus. All healthcare stocks are helping pull up the whole sector. This is what you want to look for. This is a catalyst. ERs and other things such as the coronavirus or whatever's hitting the news makes tickers move. You want to pay attention to this. Now, it caught my eye right here. As you can see, my Bollinger Bands are in purple. I'll light them up right there. When the candle pops up above the Bollinger Band, pay attention. This is a sign of things happening. Either it's going to pop up and continue a climb or do a reverse and crash down. But my Bollinger Bands said expand. They are spreading apart. We like them to spread apart. like your legs spreading apart, however you want to say it. This is a good thing. My TTM squeeze went boom right there. This green candle, if you follow my line down, my TTM squeeze gave me my first indication. My MACD gave me my first indication. You can see it right there. And I alerted it for a day trade at $2.02. As you can see, the candles are extreme. The volume popped hard. It's well above the top Bollinger Band. They are climbing well above. Already hit a high of 293. Excellent day trade so far. This is still in play. This is still looking good. My EMA ribbon is just now starting to spread, pointing up. I do love my TTM squeeze. Pay attention to the dark blues. It means volume's squeezing up a little bit. Even the MACD is showing me just a slight sideways here. There you go. Like I said, pay attention to your time and sales. You can see your level 2 down here. I do like to watch this. This helps me gauge how close bid and ask are to each other, and they're very tight. Look how tight we're getting right here. Candles and action are still well above VWAP right here. I love this for a day trade. Anyone who got in this morning, congrats. You could lock in gains. You can scale out, hold some, see where this sucker's going to go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And that's a nice blue candle. Look, the TTM just changed from the dark blue to the light blue. Good news. We like that because that's green candle means we're moving up. MACD's trying to squeeze up. This is an excellent trade. Excellent trade. Like I said, this is how I find them. I run my scanner pre-market. I run it up and down, guys. Let me tell you, up and down, up and down. I am constantly doing this. Sometimes I'll just sit here and sip my coffee and I'll just leave it just like that. And I'll watch the tickers climb up with volume right around this level because I'm interested in the 50,000 K range. Okay, you see right in here. I'm interested in these tickers that have the yellow dots or any other catalyst that is helping them move. Upcoming earnings, gold moves when the market is crap. Like I said, biotech is moving because of the coronavirus. You always look for the last. And look, GNPX just popped. This looks like, let's go ahead and drag this over. I'm going to go ahead and pull the chart. Let's look at GNPX. Ooh, mommy like. All right, so here we go. My MACD cross right here. Look at this, people. You see this? You see this greens? Look, TTM squeeze went into the blue. My Bollinger Bands just expanded right there. Boom, boom. See that giant green candle? Now I'm going to look at this, and we hit $1.71, it looks like, and we are teetering. And I'm going to tell you right now, look, my EMA ribbon just flipped. The red is on the bottom. The purple is on the top. VWAP is coming up. This will be alerted for a day trade. I predict. I got this on watch. Maybe $1.65 range. If it dips lower, like in below $1.60, look, there's $1.65, 67. I really like this. All right, guys, I think I just might alert this. Get ready. Safe trading.